Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're at the Artistry Design District. We're about to go into their A1. This is their model. So let's take a peek and go inside and take a look at what it seems like. I've previewed it. I think you're gonna love it. Look, it's just really light, bright. It looks beautiful. And you walk in, there's already a really neat surprise. You got a nice computer desk all set up for you. So just super good use of space. There's a stacked washer dryer that's there, and then just a really pretty apartment for you. You've got really nice flooring, really light, just a beautiful kitchen that's here, just a stunning kitchen. I love the islandish that's here. You can have maybe 2 or 3 stools, bar stools there, and just you don't need a table if you don't need it. You can just use that as a table. You've got a great fridge with an ice maker, just plenty of good storage. And then this is a great space too, because this is only about I think it's 662, 658 square feet or something like that, the A1. But look, you can put a table just like they did and have plenty of people in here and really enjoy this apartment. It's a cute space. You do have a balcony or a patio in this case. So let's look at that. It's gonna walk outside. See, this one is overlooking the pool. There's a big screen over there. This would be a fun apartment to enjoy in this area. So really pretty. Now we're gonna do a really quick part 2. And let's take a look at that right now. If you have any questions or you want to set up a tour anytime of the Artistry Design District apartments, we can do that virtually or in person, either one. Send me a text. That's my number below.